minutes early. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm just doing a very short video today. I got out of the house because my generator's been running for, 4 days now, and it's just annoying. Like, I can't sleep with, and all my neighbors' generators running, so my neighborhood literally sounds like a NASCAR pit lane. It's just, and that's cool for like the first, couple hours, but after 4 days of that sound, just be. Anyway, that's not why I'm here today. I'm here today because I posted a picture on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead, do that now. The picture was of my dash radio, my OEM radio from the Honda, and I basically did a little hack, and I really think this is common knowledge. Maybe not everyone knows it, but you can hack your radio. You have to do it every single time you get in the car. You can hack the radio so that while you're driving, it'll still display the HDMI video. So what I did was I hooked up my wife's old iPhone to the car, and I basically just downloaded the Honda app, and now you can basically use your phone and have it on a bigger screen. So I'm going to show you right now how I actually did that. Okay, so now that we're here, this is what we're going to do. First, I'm going to show what happens. My emergency brake is up. Can't see it, but it's up. It's up. I'm going to go ahead and unlock my phone. I'm going to select an audio source. Gonna select an audio source. I never gotten that error before, but another reason why I hate this thing. I'm gonna go to HDMI, and I've got my phone. You can open up, this is not touchscreen. I guess that's a good way to show it. So you really want to use your phone as the touchscreen. How do you minimize this on the iPhone? There it is. So now you've got your map. And if you like Waze, you can use Waze. For some reason, Waze wasn't working that well for me, but I'm going to show you what Honda looks like. This is basically Honda Flash Pro. There you go. So what did I need for this? I needed an HDMI converter from an iPhone, and I just went straight to the HDMI port down low. You also could use it. This is to charge, because the converter doesn't charge at the same time. So if, let's say, you're running low on juice, it's not that cumbersome. I'm gonna try to move all this stuff that's up here. I'm gonna try to move it like sort of down here somehow. I'm gonna find the right mount so I can mount my phone here. That way it's close to the shifter. It's all within sort of reach versus me reaching up here. Now here's the issue. If I put the e-brake down, you lose it. E-brake up, we're back in. So how do you fix that? First, let's go back to home. Now, and I don't know. I like to have this button displayed here, the home button, even though you don't have to. So to fix this, all you gotta do is you're gonna press the power, the home button, and the eject button on your display, on your whatever dash, at the same time. After 2 seconds, it comes up. You go at the bottom here, detail, information, and setting. Then you press the menu button, press and hold. After 5 seconds, you go to vehicle model information. Then you hit the DD-VSP error, and you turn that off. And then you go back and back, back. That's it. So now we go back to our audio input HDMI. Now I'm going to put the e-brake down. There you go. We can drive off at this point. So now I'm going to do a few videos of what this looks like with just me driving. I'm going to mount the GoPro, and one thing I'll do is, I know I did that very slow, but I said that this is something you could do in 5 seconds, and you really could. I'm going to do it again. I'm going to first shut the car off. All right, just to reset things. So just imagine you're starting your car in the morning or in the afternoon, whatever. Car's on. You probably already have this hooked up. If not, whatever, hook it up. So I'm going to go ahead and do it in as quickly as I can. Okay? Okay, sure. And we're done. That's how long it took me to get it done. Sometimes the home button doesn't want to see your touch, but you know, if that doesn't respond within 2 seconds, just try it again. All right, let's take this for a spin.
DJ yo no pare, somos lo que somos, copia no vale. Oye, tengo Calderón, el original llegó. Yo no meto feca como tú comprenderás, ni soy envidioso como tú comprenderás. Me encanta lo bueno como tú comprenderás. Me voy hasta abajo y tú lo vas a ver. Tú eres niña, pero niña. No me la sé que no prende ni con gas. Me encanta ella, reggaetón o rap. Siempre ando con punto, tú tienes tema. Yo soy la ruquita para el café, copiate. Soy el que no pone como un personaje. Tú no tienes nada más lo que le gusto. Tú no eres morón, tú eres un super bruto. Mi vecino frío tiene el mapa, lo puso. Yo no digo nombre, batalla de abuso. Si tú estás buscando baile, si tú estás buscando
All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, give it a like, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. This was a fun video to make. I didn't realize there was such a needed gap. But anyway, give it a thumbs up, like it, subscribe. See ya. Peace.